Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. So this week I'm thinking about old family recipes. My mama used to make some sour cream pork chops. They tasted so good. So I went back to the old recipe book. I found the old recipe and decided to make it for myself. It is really simple to make. And if you try to make it, you'll be glad you did. Come follow me along in this video. I'll show you how I did it. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get started. There's a frying pan. Put 3 pork chops into the frying pan. We're going to season them up with some salt, some pepper, some garlic, and some soy sauce. Flip these bad boys over. Do it all again. Salt, pepper, garlic, soy sauce. Turn it up to medium heat and start frying these pork chops. I fried them for about 4 minutes total on each side, 8 minutes total. And you can see I flip them around and move them around. I keep it moving. This way I don't burn the pork chops. I just get them nicely and evenly cooked on all sides. See how they're starting to brown up nicely now? Looking pretty good, huh? Yes, they are. Set those 3 aside. Start again with 3 more pork chops, pre-seasoned on one side, and we're going to season the other side. Salt, pepper, garlic, soy sauce. Move these around and you get the idea. Time for the gravy. 2 cups of water, 1 packet of brown gravy mix. Cook that up, stir it around. Here's the secret, guys. Sour cream. About 1.5 cups of sour cream was in that container. Put that in there, stir it around, and mix it up good and proper. Now we're going to put the pork chops back into the frying pan. I'm going to start with 4 of them and pour the gravy over top of the pork chops. I don't use all the gravy. I'm going to save some of the gravy for later use. Flip them around and then add the other 2. Continue flipping them around. Cook them for a while over medium heat again, stirring and flipping. Look at that. Don't that just look delicious? Time to put these on a serving plate. Now we're going to grab that top pork chop there, add some potatoes, a little bit of basil for flavor. Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah. Just like my mom used to make. So good. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching it, much as I've enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. And if you're really down, don't forget, go with Jesus. You'll have a great day. Thanks again for watching.